In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company name in QuickBooks. Whether you've rebranded your business or simply need to make a correction, updating your company name in QuickBooks is a straightforward process that you can complete quickly. Let's walk through this together and make sure you have all the details you need along the way. First, you'll want to open up the QuickBooks website. Ensure you're using a compatible web browser for the best experience. Once you're on the website, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the settings icon, a gear-shaped symbol often associated with configuration. Clicking on the settings icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Here, you're going to select the Account and Settings option. This is the section where you can change crucial aspects of your company's information, making it an important tool for managing your business details online. Once inside the Account and Settings page, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side, each for different aspects of your business. These include Company, Billing and Subscription, and Usage, among others. For today's purpose, you'll stay in the first option, usually highlighted by default, which is the Company tab. Within this section, you will quickly spot your current company information, such as address, contact details, and most importantly, the name of your company. Next, you need to locate your current company name. This will be listed right at the top under Company Name. Hover over the name and a small pencil icon will appear beside it. This icon indicates that you can edit the field. Go ahead and click on this icon to start editing the company name. An editable text box will appear, allowing you to enter your new company name. It's crucial to ensure accuracy here, so take your time to type in the correct new name. It might help to double-check with any relevant documents or business registrations you have to ensure the name you're inputting matches what you want. Once you're satisfied with the new name you've entered, the next step is to save your changes. Look towards the bottom of the page. There should be a Save button. Clicking this will update your company name in QuickBooks, and there you have it. Your company name is now updated in QuickBooks. This change should reflect immediately in your account, and any invoices or reports you create from now on will feature the new company name. Remember, this update is an important part of keeping your business records current and accurate. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your QuickBooks account. Until next time.